Today, we're going to learn about why we shouldn't play with stoves and ovens. Coco was in the kitchen inside Maria's house. She loves to cook, but she's tired of only pretending to cook. Coco wants to use the oven like Maria's mom to make eggs for her friend Snake. Oh no! Coco does not know how to use the stove by herself. There is smoke everywhere and the egg is burnt. A few minutes later, Coco tells Maria, Piyo, and Snake what went wrong, while Maria's mom puts the smoke out. We learned a lot about kitchen safety today, boys and girls.